impressive display of Pakistani military might. The live-fire exercises, known as New Resolve, are clearly aimed at a conventional threat from an old foe, India. This demonstration is meant to replicate a counter-offensive against a ground invasion. The message is simple. India, and not the Taliban, remains Pakistan's primary foe. And just in case it wasn't clear, the month-long maneuvers are being held in a remote patch of the Cholistan Desert, less than 60 miles from the Indian border. But New Delhi also has a message for Islamabad. Its military is conducting exercises at the same time. India is testing out its cold start doctrine, meant to rapidly mobilize for war.
We should not remain oblivious of the offensive capability towards the east, which keeps growing over the period of time, and there is a very ominous offensive doctrine on the eastern side, which is Pakistan specific. So therefore, to lower the guard, seeing in light of the emerging threat which is staring right us in the face, that would be foolhardy.
The US has repeatedly urged Pakistan to focus less on its eastern border with India, where the bulk of its 500,000-strong army is deployed, and more on the threat from the Taliban along its western flank, bordering Afghanistan. In other words, on counterinsurgency and not conventional war, although American officials have recently toned down their criticism and highlighted Pakistan's achievements against the insurgents. Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani watched part of the field exercises along with other dignitaries, including Army Chief General Ashfaq Kayani. The military has seen its popularity soar after it pushed the Taliban back from Swat and other areas in the northwest and handed the reins of power to civilian authorities. General Kayani has repeatedly emphasized the military's battlefield rather than political role. These exercises are also intended to cement that view, according to some analysts present at the demonstration.
I think there's an internal message given by the Army High Command to the people of Pakistan, which says that we are now being depoliticized and going back to what we belong to, which was a thing which had changed under Musharraf.
The New Resolve exercises, which involve more than 50,000 troops, are the biggest since 1989. They continue until mid-May. For Time.com, this is Rania Abizaid reporting from Pakistan's Cholistan Desert.